Good evening, students. So now we are going to discuss about the Debye-Hackel-Bejerram equation. Debye-Hackel-Bejerram equation. Debye-Hackel-Bejerram equation. So the extent of ion pair formation, you should write some points for this. The extent of ion pair formation decides the concentration to be used in ionic cloud model. This you should write first point. So the extent of ion pair formation decides the concentration to be used in the ionic cloud model. This point you should write first. Then by removing theta is the total number of ions. So by removing fraction of ions, from the total number of ions, by removing fraction of theta, so theta of total number of ions in which involving 1 minus theta is the ion pair formation. This 1 minus theta is remains no change in the free chain. First point you should write in the examination is the extent of ion pair formation is decides the concentration to be used. So by used in the ionic cloud model. So that means second point, by removing the theta fraction of theta, so that is from total number of ions which involving in the free ions, the ion pair formation. So that is remains unchanged in the free chain. So if C is the concentration, if the C is concentration of electrolyte, and theta into C is the concentration of, ion association. So ion association, if 1 minus theta into C is, so 1 minus ion pair association you should write. So 1 minus theta into C is the concentration of free ions you should write. So if C is the concentration of the electrolyte, so that means theta into C is the concentration of the ion pair association, and 1 minus theta into C is the concentration of free ions. So if you will take, so the mean ionic activity coefficient is given by the mean ionic activity coefficient. So this is nothing but extended form of Debye-Hackel law. So that is also same equal to log gamma plus or minus is equal minus a into z plus into z minus into under root 1 minus theta into c by 1 plus b into r into under root 1 minus theta into c you should write. So this is about the Debye-Hackel-Bejerram equation. This is Debye-Hackel-Bejerram equation. You should write all the points in the examination, so one by one. So how do you remember? I will tell you how to remember this Debye-Hackel-Bejerram equation. Very simple. So if you know the extended form of Debye-Hackel law, so that is what? So extended form of Debye-Hackel is what? Log gamma plus or minus is equal to what? Minus a into z plus into z minus into under root I by 1 plus b into a into root I. So this is for what? Extended form of Debye-Hackel. So but same similarly, that is what? Debye-Hackel-Bejerram is similar to this equation. Debye-Hackel-Bejerram is given by log gamma plus or minus is as it is, mean ionic activity coefficient is as it is. Say minus a into z plus into z minus into under root. You should take 1 minus theta into c. In place of I, you should take 1 minus theta into c. So by same 1 plus b into Whenever A is there, you should take R here. So same, whenever I is there, you should take 1 minus theta into C. So this is about Debye-Hackel-Bejerram equation. So you should write all points step by step in the examination clearly. You will get 4 marks. So if they will ask for 4 marks, you will get 4 marks. Thank you. In next video, we will discuss about the chemical cell with transference and without transference. Thank you.